Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you a web camera that I got from Dave & Buster's. And this is the camera here. So, what Dave & Buster's is it's an adult arcade that's in the US. You get tickets even if you physically don't get tickets anymore, you get them digitally on a card through the embed system. And after so many tickets, you could turn them in and get products. So I got this product right here. This is an Iris Pro webcam. And the tickets I had over a few years, so I decided to trade them in last night. So I am going to try this out, and I am going to try this out on Windows 11. And the reason I am trying this out on Windows 11 is I want to see how things work. So what I'm going to be doing is after I open up the box, I'm going to use Zoom to test out the camera. Zoom is already installed, as you can see, and it works just fine. The installer worked great. You don't have to worry about it. There is a 32-bit version of Zoom, and there's a 64-bit. I downloaded the 64-bit because Windows 11 is 64-bit, but if for some reason you need to, you can down the 32-bit version of Zoom. So I am going to open this box up real quick. And we'll get started from there. That was the top of the box that went flying. So this is what the camera looks like. So I'm going to pull it out of its case here. And this is actually very nice camera. And it's obviously USB. So I could put it on top of my monitor, which is what I will be doing when I swap out the Logitech. Alright, so what you want to do here is I am going to unzip tie the wire there. Not a zip tie, that is a tie. Some type of tie, I don't remember the technical name for it. So anyway, I am going to plug this in to my USB power strip here. Pull the plastic off. Looks very clean. I like it. So now if worse comes to worse, I'll plug it directly into the computer first, which what it looks, oh, there we go. That's what it looks like I'm going to need to do. Okay, so I'm going to plug the camera directly into the computer here. Alright, just give me 1 second. There we go. Should automatically recognize. Alright, so I'm going to go to Zoom. And we are going to see what happens here. Now, this camera does have a built-in microphone and stuff like that. So I'm going to sign in here. All right, so we are in, and you should see me in. Let me see why. Okay. There we go. So that should come up. Okay, so I made a mistake here. I accidentally plugged it into the wrong computer. So what I'm going to do now is then I plugged it back into the USB power strip, and then I'm going to plug it into the front directly into the computer. Now, sometimes with cameras, mice, KVM switches, you have to plug it directly into the computer first and then into an UX. So KVM switches, obviously, you plug in directly to the computer, but what you do is you take the device and then you plug the receiver directly into the computer/computers, and then you plug it into the KVM switch so the driver's already there. So I am now going to plug this into the right one. All right. So it is now plugged in directly into the computer here. We're going to go back to Zoom. And we are going to see. Click New Meeting. And now you see me. So this camera is actually pretty good. It's just the lighting right now is not that great. So you could see me doing this. So this camera works just fine. So if I plug it back into the USB power strip, it will work. So now what you can do is, so this is also proof that Zoom works with Windows 11. So I'm going to exit out of here. There we go. So this camera works on Windows 11. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.